thank you guys for watching all of my videos. I really appreciate you guys that tuned in. I've got more planned for you in 2026. Definitely going to keep going to matches. Definitely going to keep showing you my range footage and the build drill progression and stuff. Even if it's just a few of you, I appreciate the few of you more than you know. So I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, and a Happy New Year. I will see you then.
Ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. Ooh. Good run. Go ahead, I saw it. Range clear, 1655.
Thank you.
Good run, Al.
All right.
Stand by. Ooh. 1949, right?
Woo! Okay, I'll take it.
I thought I'd blow a lot of money, might as well.
Yeah,
I can tell the difference.
The brass ones are expensive.
you know that's only a $600 gun.
Are you
so
ready?
can put that stuff on it. You're not
Stand
putting it on a
by.
$1,500 gun.
Right, you got more money.
Just unload show clear. If clear, slide forward, hammer down. Holster. Rangers clear.
Thank you, sir. All right.
Shooter ready. Stand by. I see clear. Slide forward, hammer, holster.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload show clear. If clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster.